Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Afterpay account. Okay, so basically how to fix your Afterpay account. Here are the provisions to fix it. First of all, you have to prevent frauds, and you have to pay your bill on the time. Okay, once you pay your bill on time, the fees will be removed. So if you if you have any both problems, so you can just contact their company and you can just unfreeze your account. First is option that you have to repay the bill, then you can pay, and the second one option is to do make sure you have maintained the proper security. Don't share any OTP or any CCV codes to any friends or family members. Okay, so via this you can just fix your Afterpay account. So you can see some videos also. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.